Today we will explore the world of AI agents, the role of prompts, and their importance in creating effective AI systems. Let's dive in. An AI agent, in simple terms, is a software program designed to simulate human-like behavior or intelligence. It utilizes algorithms and machine learning to process data, make decisions, and interact with users or environments autonomously. A prompt, in the context of AI, refers to the instruction or input given to an AI system to generate a specific response or output. It guides the AI agent in understanding the desired task, context, and expected behavior. Prompts are crucial because they provide the necessary guidance and constraints for an AI agent to generate accurate and relevant responses. They define the scope of the AI system's capabilities and help ensure the desired outcomes. To methodically create a great prompt and a great AI agent, several key steps should be followed. Step 1. Clearly define the objective, identify the specific task or problem the AI agent should address. Step 2. Understand the target audience, gain insights into the user's needs, preferences, and expectations. Step 3. Craft clear instructions, design prompts that provide specific guidance on what the AI agent needs to accomplish. Step 4. Consider diversity, develop a variety of prompts to expose the AI agent to different scenarios and inputs, ensuring it can handle a range of situations. Step 5. Test and iterate, continuously evaluate the AI agent's performance and refine prompts based on user feedback and real-world usage. Step 6. Incorporate human feedback, involve human evaluators to assess the AI agent's responses and adjust prompts to align with desired outcomes. By following these systematic steps, we can create effective prompts that enable AI agents to generate accurate, relevant, and reliable outputs, enhancing their overall performance and user experience.